You know that feeling when you meet a woman who makes you smile for no reason? She makes life feel more alive. But here's the strange part. The more you like her, the more you show it, the more you chase, the more she pulls away. Today, I want to talk about something that might open your eyes. Women are often more attracted to men who stay relaxed, men who give off this vibe. I like you, but my life doesn't revolve around you. This isn't random theory. There's actual research behind it, the psychology behind it. In 2011, a study titled "Women Are More Attracted to Men Whose Feelings Are Unclear" found something interesting. Women tend to feel more attract to men who don't immediately reveal all their feelings. That doesn't mean playing games. It doesn't mean pretending not to care. It means not rushing to expose everything too soon. Why does this work? Women don't like jerks. They don't like emotionally frozen men either. What they are attracted to emotional control. A man who doesn't get overly emotional, doesn't panic, doesn't say "I love you" too quickly, isn't clingy, isn't desperate. That kind of man feels stable, emotionally secure. And emotional stability is attractive. The power of uncertainty. Imagine this. She starts thinking, does he actually like me? He's attentive, but he's so calm. Is he serious or not? The moment she starts thinking like that, you're living in her mind. She's curious. She's wondering. And curiosity fuels attraction, the mistake most men make. Men often move too fast after 1 or 2 dates. They want to say, "I really like you. Let's make this serious. I care about you." Why? Because men often fall faster. When a man feels a connection, he locks in. The problem? Your feelings might grow faster than hers. Women usually need time. They need comfort, consistency, verification that you're not just temporary. Meanwhile, you're already all in. She already knows you like her. Women aren't clueless if you ask her out. Text her consistently, give attention. She already knows you're interested. The real question in her mind isn't, does he like me? It's, how much does he like me? And that answer's holdn't be handed over to. Quickly let her wonder, let her think, let her feel the curiosity. People fall in love at different speeds. You might instantly feel chemistry. She might not. Yet it doesn't mean she's not interested. It may mean she's still evaluating your character, watching your consistency, checking compatibility, deciding if you're worth her time. That's why patience matters. If you rush emotionally, you look impulsive, and impulsiveness can feel unstable. When do women really get invested? Often around the 3rd or 4th date, when comfort builds, when emotional connection deepens, or within 1 to 3 months. Women need process. So don't expect her to immediately ask for commitment. Talk about exclusivity, fear losing you, that comes after she feels, "I don't want to lose him." It's the real issue. Fear of being alone. Let's be honest. Many men rush emotional iBouquets. They're uncomfortable being alone. Some feel empty without a relationship. Some think love will heal their wounds. Some need affection to feel complete. But relationships aren't emotional bandages. If you're emotionally hungry, you become slink, jealous, desperate. Not because you're deeply in love, but because you're afraid of loneliness. Learn to be comfortable alone. If you fear being alone, you'll choose the wrong partner. That's why emotionally relaxed men are attractive when they're single. Their lives still move forward. They have goals, hobbies, work, passion, discipline, self-development. And when a woman enters their life, she's not their savior. She's an addition. That energy is powerful. When she invests more than you, if she feels like she's thinking about you more, she's more curious. She's more emotionally invested. She'll start chasing. She'll ask about the relationship. She'll seek clarity. She'll try to get closer. And usually, the one who chased doesn't walk away easily. This isn't game playing. IT's emotional control. Holding back isn't manipulation. It's emotional pacing. It's making Shireo both fall at a similar rhythm so she's not overwhelmed by your intensity so you don't appear desperate. And so the connection grows healthy and stable. Closing. So from now on, don't show all your cards too early. Show interest. Be kind, be attentive. But keep your life intact. Liking her is fine. Losing yourself is not. Because women aren't attract to the man who falls. The fastest they're attract to the man who stays the most stable. Thanks for watching.